Alright, got up all our parts to put the motor together. Our head bolts over there. Making some intake manifold stuff here. This stuff might change somewhat. Bolt. There it is. Intake manifold. Alright. I'm going to go with the Ultima manifold. Pull out the old seals we were trying to use before. Rear. Let's see, before I do that, check the thickness of these things. These other ones are too thin. These are around 117, 119 thickness. 23, 119, 21. And S&S is 137. That's why they're tighter. 36, 37. Okay, so they are different. Alright, so if it gets loose, I can use these other ones, but I'm not going to use them. The manifold's too damn thin. No, hold it. That's not it, that's Harley. Stock replacement. This is the S&S ones. These are the S&S. Ooh, they're even less. 115, 116, 13, 11. These are worse than those other ones. 11, 15, 15, 14. These are thicker. 22, 23. And these were loose. So these are really loose. Do not use the S&S ones on that setup. Could be a problem. Alright, well now we know. Don't do that. This manifold's a little bit bigger diameter if you go. That should help on the sealing. Just the manifold's so damn thin. Hopefully it doesn't break. This thing, I think, will burn through. Cheap vinyl. You get hot, it'll burn off. Okay, so the manifold can go on. Gaskets. 3 5/8, 30 thou. Thou on the base. There's 2 in there. Okay. All of the important parts are here. These are seals. Push rods, might as well get those out here. They're easier to put in right now. All the exhaust gaskets I need to. Didn't bring a set of those down. Oh, yes, I did. The rest of this. What did I do with them? I think I brought them down. It's best to put these in now so you don't forget. I have done that. I bet you take it all back apart again for a stupid O-ring. These go in here. Okay. Exhaust gaskets. Where are them exhaust gaskets at? Where did I put those exhaust gaskets? A box of junk over here. Those are the ones we need. Don't need those. Don't need those. Need these for now. String damper, definitely going to need that. Whoa, exhaust pipe in the way. Okay, S&S exhaust gaskets. So they have a large ID and a tall OD. So they're like a big tapered one, but they got a big hole through the center. When you squeeze them down, they don't pinch down the ID so bad. Problem is they don't always want to fit inside the motor very well either. So I'm going to try to push them in evenly, see if they'll go. If they don't go, there's a tool I made for putting them in easier. This isn't it. This is called muscle. Okay, that one's in. You got to compress it to get it going, so you got to squeeze on it fairly evenly, and it goes right in like you're supposed to. Okay, so the heads are all loaded up. My gaskets are going to need. This stuff we don't need right now. Okay, what else do we need? Cylinders. Yeah, clean my rocker boxes up. Alright, I'm going to go clean this up, we'll be back.